Good day, y'all. Mr. Shea Poulet with Shea Poulet Homestead. Listen to that. And we have the first arrivals. It's only day 20, but the one to the right, that one there we're going to call Nugget. This is Nugget. Might even know its name. Trying to get them used to. I don't want them to eat the wood shavings. That's how a whole bunch died, I think, last year. These shavings are small. Once again, I said I wasn't going to do that. So if a bunch die, might be why. You got to use big shavings. These puny little planer shavings is no good for nothing. It's good for the hens, not good for chicks. Anyway, they got their food. Might take the rack right off. I know usually my hand can't stretch open anymore. Anyway, whatever. Yeah. I don't know if it's a good idea putting food there or not, but they don't know to eat right away, right? So anyway, whatever. He's gonna eat the wood shavings, I guess. Now, lock this all up. And I put the water just on the outside of where it's kind of warm, so hopefully with the weather getting as cold as it was last night, I think it was -15 last night Celsius. So we shall see how they make out. And the eggs for today, let's see here. So I went to Princess Auto and I got some hardware cloth. You gotta love Princess Auto. $8. It's not very long. It's only like 5 foot, but big enough to do in front of my door. Because remember, I said I wanted to get rid of that door and kind of make a window, something nicer down there. Kind of like this one. I like that style. So I'm going to build another door like that one down here. And then what I want to do with another little piece is make a spot to put waters on. So I want to build maybe a couple platforms just like a foot wide. Something like that, but just with the hardware cloth across the top, so I can sit like waters on like that there. And they're just going to eat the shavings instead of the food. Wish they would go over by the food and start eating that. Once they got that, they would be all right. You're walking on the food. You got to be Americana and Brahma. That little tiny one in the middle looks like a... Oh, there, he's going to eat the food. Nope. Turn around. He's almost standing on the food. Alright, whatever. Do whatever you wish. They have no desire to do either right at the moment. So, we'll leave them be. It's almost 9 o'clock, I think, right now. So, closing up the coop. Oh, this is the blind one. She doesn't even know where she's going right now. Maybe she wants to get a drink and she was looking for that. I think she goes by feel because she knows there's water there, but she doesn't know exactly where. See? She just feels her way around. She's been this way now for like, I know it might be pitiful to a lot of you guys, and you guys might be saying, you know, color, and I will. But right now, she's eating. She's drinking. She doesn't have the luxury like we do of a walking stick. So she just pecks around. She'll figure out where she needs to go. She's been like this here for, geez, it has to be over a year. She's about 2.5 years old. All right. Well, I'll leave those there for now. Sarge is going to try to mount her, and she's trying to hide. All right. Have a good night. So all you viewers, give me 3 names. We already got Nugget, so give me 2 more names. One looks like a Jubilee mix, and so does the other one, actually. So we shall see. So anyway, 2 other names. I don't know what sex they are yet, but doesn't matter. Cheers, y'all.